yes. When Gussie got the Honda 50, it changed his life. It was funny because I'd be going down to Miltown Malbay, you know. Sometimes I'd be going down with a trailer and loads of timber and a machine, was trying to show people how to start off making pipes in the early days of the festival. And I'd be going down somewhere by Uilleann, and I'd see this bike parked at the side of the road, and Gussie would be lying back in the sodden, having his lunch. He wouldn't go down all the way to Miltown Malbay. He'd stop on the way and just lie into the ditch and have his bit of lunch. It was like a journey into darkest Africa, you know. He did great travelling on it. He loved it. But that's the Honda 50 in a way changed life in rural Ireland. There's people up to there. I met Paddy Mullins, the flute player from the Kinvara Gaelic band. We interviewed him that time, and he was old at the time in Carrsherkin. And he said that the greatest regret in his life was that he was 60 years old when he got his first bicycle. If he only had a bicycle before that, he could have gone great places. But he used to walk up to Doolin from Carrsherkin. I don't know how many miles that is, but you have to walk into Ennistimon and then from Ennistimon to Doolin. Play all night in a house or a house dance or a card game, and or they'd be raffling a pig or a turkey or something, and then he'd walk home again, and he'd work the next day on the farm then. But if he had a bike, he could have had a great life all day. He'd go further afield, really.